Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I want to share with you a new app that I created called HireFlow, which is supposed to help users that use spreadsheets to manage their hiring process. I've worked with a lot of companies in the past and mostly small business owners where all of the HR processes are done with a spreadsheet and it's usually not very effective. I've had a lot of solutions for that. And I think this is really an improvement as this is an online app that you can use in any device and on your mobile phone and all that good stuff. So I'll walk you through quickly what you can do here and you can take a look, and for a limited time you can use this for free as it's in beta phase. So I'm looking for people to use it and share their feedback and help me take this to the next step. So this is a dashboard where you can see I'm using sample data. People that will join will also be able to load it, the sample data, and just try using it. You can see you have already action for overdue follow-ups. You can see the different stages, how many people are active at a glance, your overall performance, so to speak. Let's go to jobs so I can see all of my jobs, and I can of course see by different status, quick filters. I can search, and I can also post a job. So I can say the title, the department location, what the status is, and the pipeline. Pipeline is basically all of the steps that you want your applicant to go through, and you don't have to go through all of them. You can do whatever you want. Most importantly, you have a hired and rejected, of course, which is supposed to stop um, the applicant. Then you have your applicants, where you have basically all your applicants. Again, you can search, you can add an applicant with their information, what is the source, if there's a LinkedIn URL that you want to use. And you can click on that applicant and you can edit, you can have notes, you can see what applications you've already set them up. You can change the stage from here. You can upload documents and you can see the activity. Let's go to the board. This is, I think, what's really nice, that you can change basically the job and you can move people around. So let's say this person is now in assessment. That's going to update, and this person is in the first interview. And if you scroll over, you can see, okay, this person now is in second interview, and maybe this person now is in the offer stage. So you can really move the pipeline of people through this board, which is, I think, very nice and user friendly. I'll show you also the reports. You can see reports. They'll show you your funnel. Okay, if it's by source, what's your hiring trend? So I've only been using it now in June, but you can, of course, this will change as you use it more. And there's also how many days a candidate stays in a certain position. So that's the reports section. You also have activity. That's going to show you basically the changes that I did now in the demo. So you can always track and you can always search. So you can see what happens with each person on a timestamp. That's roughly it. You see, when you get started, you have this onboarding checkbox that you can fill out, and you can just hide that if you don't want to see it anymore. And if you click on the overdue follow-up dates, you're going to see applicants that are late based on the scheduled date that you saw, and you can mark as complete or you can adjust. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's the app in a glance. And as I mentioned, we're in the beta phase, so you guys are welcome to sign up for free. No credit card, no strings attached, just your email, and you can start using the app today. Thank you and have a great day.